Cool, so what we're going to do is continue drawing up this image, and I've got this image up here so I can see it. And let's go and grab the arms, create the arms here, click over here, drag it across, and it's coming a bit closer. Let's draw the basic outline of the shape. And come out here. And like I said in the previous tutorials, the best way that you can learn how to create and use these pen tools is by actually practicing and actually using them. So make sure that you, after you go through these tutorials, then that you actually go through and begin trying to create this animation, this character, and these different shapes and things like that. And you're going to start getting good really quickly. So there's our first arm. Let's say call this one arm, right arm. And what we're going to do, just so we can save some time, I'm going to duplicate this. Control D for duplicate, and call this one left arm, and I'll place that one at the back. Okay, cool. And we'll go ahead and let's position these parts now. What I'm going to do is position the right arm beneath the sleeve, so that it goes behind the sleeve, and the left arm we need to go behind the body, so let's put it behind the shirt. And let's go ahead and get this tool here, the pan behind tool, or the anchor point tool, sorry, and place it at the top of the arm, about there I guess. And then what we want to do is hit R on your keyboard, R for rabbit or R for rotation, and rotate this up into that kind of area like so. And then we can go ahead, click on it and move it into position to where that arm is roughly somewhere about there. Okay, cool. And this right arm is in good shape as well. So let's go and grab the fill color and make it the same color as the head. And click OK. And for the left arm, the same thing. Okay, great. So let's have a look at that. They look quite good. Take off the image of the character, and it's looking not too bad. Obviously you want to go ahead and make sure that everything looks really good, spend a bit more time on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the legs as well. So get the pen tool, just click about there and there, and we'll just draw up a waist like kind of shape, and I'll click on there. Looks not too bad. And I'll just grab the color up first of all, make it a brown kind of color if I can find that. Whoops. There we are. Click OK. And we'll rename this one waist. Now we're just going to do basic animation with the legs. And let's go grab the tool again and create the legs. So just click from about there to there, up to there, and back. And actually I'll make this a little bit longer as well. Something like that. That looks good. Okay, cool. And we'll name this one back leg, and we'll actually duplicate this one to make it even quicker. So Control D, and let's click on this with the selection tool and drag it across, and we'll rename this one front leg. Okay, and let's go ahead and create these shoes. So make sure nothing's selected, click and draw up a rough outline of a shoe, however you want to design it. I'm just going to draw it like this one, and it looks not too bad. Play around a little bit with it, make sure that everything's in line. Okay, let's go with that. That's not too bad. And let's make this one black, or like a dark kind of dark color like that. And we're going to place this one, we'll rename it shoe first, and then Control D, have another shoe, and we'll highlight these ones and place them both behind the legs. And shoe 2 we can place, click on it and then drag it across holding down shift so that it's in a straight line, and place it in front of that, or behind the front leg like so. Cool. So that's basically how we create that. What we want to do is I'm going to connect these shoes. So I'm going to connect shoe with the front leg. So click on that one and get the parent tool and parent it to there, and the shoe with the back leg, this one with the back leg, and these two will connect it to the waist. Okay, cool. Now what we want to do is we need to position everything, so let's hide the character, and you'll see that the head over here, you'll see the head is kind of behind the shirt, and you want the head kind of in front of the shirt, so let's go and grab his big head, and we'll place him at the top actually, so it goes in front of everything. The arm is going behind his legs, so let's go and move that. We'll grab all the leg that shear the waist to the front leg, and we'll drag these down. Whoops. Okay, and place it above the shape layer 1. And that looks quite good. Everything's in order now. So what we can do is begin adding in some animations to this character to help him to begin walking. So jump onto the next video, and we're going to go ahead and create some animations.